1887.
Sorry. I'll go.
Okay.
If you, sorry, if you, if you, sorry, what's wrong? Miskin, sorry. If you, tumutuwa akong baklang to.
Okay.
Ay, bakla, huwag sabihin birthday mo.
Okay, go.
If you,
Baka magbatawin mo na kasi. Okay na po.
if you, next. Oh, di ba?
Okay.
If you next. If you next. To be. Next.
Okay.
Tuwa-tuwa na nga bakla pag ako nandito.
Go.
Sorry.
Okay, the question
Sorry
is,
kayo.
the question is,
To be.
If you.
Next. If you. Tuwa nga.
Tapusin mo na ako. Ibita natin.
If you next. To be. A president.
To be.
This country. What can you
Dali, sige, tawa.
contribute? Ayun lang.
Pakabilisan ng mabilis yung tunay na.
Ah.
Ulitin mo na simula.
If you president. Taknan nyo. Ito lang masabi ko.
Dahil librang
Yung
kita yun.
microphone.
Nakuha ka maganda. Okay.
Makakatawa kayo.
Pakabilisan kasi lang. The question is, if you will be.
Ano?
The question is, if you. Sasagutin mo yan, ha? Will be declared to be
Declare to
the
be
president
a
of the
president in this
Philippines.
country.
Oh yes, in this country, the country is Africa. What will you?
Taknan nyo. Wala ba tagayan dyan? Ko may camera.
If you will be given,
Answer.
the answer is,
The answer
eto
is...
pag nasagot mo tong question na to,
Oh.
may alak tayo.
Oh.
Sige, oh.
Oh. Ano answer ko?
Teka, ito nga tanong mo. What? If you will going to estimate the age of the universe,
Oh.
how?
Oh, this one. Age?
The age of the universe.
Universe. Ayun ang tanong.
The age of the universe.
Hindi, wala ba ang kabak niyo?
Wala yun na yun. Okay, the age of, you will going to calculate the age of the universe by means how far the,
Calculate.
okay, but not estimated, or
Okay.
just estimate.
Calculate.
Yes, estimate or calculate the age.
Ayun ang tanong.
The age of the universe.
Tingin.
Yes.
Calculate. Tagalog na. Because.
Tagalog.
Because.
Paliwanag ko sa manager.
Because. I'm gonna estimate.
Oh. Ito lang ako.
Pagtawanan niyo
The
ako.
question, yes.
Pagtawanan niyo ako.
Ay, maganda. Ito na lang. This is very logical question that I think you will answer this for, I think, 1 minute.
1 minute.
Yes, or you can answer this for almost 1 minute. I think the question is, what is multipurpose?
What?
What is multipurpose?
Multipurpose. Multipurpose.
Yes.
Multipurpose.
Like Mr. Clean All Purpose.
Powder. Powder na.
Ano daw ito yung multipurpose?
Walang alak.
Okay. Here's another question. Napakadami ng tabla eh.
Parang
Okay, this is very,
Questionable.
yes, this is very questionable.
Questionable.
In the future,
In the future.
what do you think you will be?
Ako, pagdating sa panahon na gano'n, gano'n pa rin ako. Bakla pa rin ako.
Ayan. In English,
Ano ko, mahirap sa English eh. Gusto ko Tagalog.
wow.
Mahirap pa rin. Gano'n pa rin ako. In the future? In the future? Bakla pa rin ako.
In the future?
Yes. I think.
If you.
Okay. What can you say about the question if you?
Repeat the question.
The
before
question
answer.
was,
Before the answer.
what can you say about the question if you?
If you say. Repeat?
The question was,
Repeat.
what can you say about the question if you?
Repeat.
About the question, if you.
Yes.
Me? Pardon, please.
Paulan.
Repeat the question, please.
Ay! Eto na eh.
Tagalog.
In Tagalog.
Bakla Tagalog, bakla ko. Kailangan.
In Tagalog.
Oh, go.
What if you in Tagalog?
What if you?
In Tagalog.
Tagalog.
Ano Tagalog ang if you?
Myself. Myself.
So, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. If you. What? Ano daw sa Tagalog ng if you?
Tagalog if you.
Oo, ano nga?
Tagalog ko na if you rin. If you.
Into Tagalog version. First, I will going to sit.
Matuwa ka pero inabot kita noong araw.
Tagalogin mo. Tagalogin mo daw if you.
Ano sa Tagalog ang
Here
if you? Is the question. I will going to say it first in English version. Then
Yeah.
I will going to translate it in Tagalog.
Okay, go.
Okay, the question. What can you say about the question if you?
Tagalog na.
In Tagalog,
Oh.
anong masasabi mo sa tanong na kung ikaw?
Ako.
Kung ikaw.
Kapag design.